Thank you, Luc. Dear Azélise, dear Fabrice, dear Elisabeth, dear Luc, dear fellows, dear colleagues, I'm also extremely pleased to welcome you here in Nantes for the 5th ISFOG conference. This symposium has been organized by the Geotechnical Department of the Gustave Eiffel University. At the start of this exciting symposium, allow me to take a few moments to introduce the university, my university, our university, and its research and innovation activities in the field of offshore geotechnics. I promise to keep it brief, and this is why I wrote my speech. This is unusual for me. So there will be 3 slides, only 3 slides. The first message is that Gustave Eiffel University is a brand new university. It has been established in 2020 through the merger of 6 institutions, a university, a national research center, 3 engineering schools, and 1 architecture school. And the goal was to create a leading teaching and research institution in France dedicated to sustainable urban and regional development. Today, it stands as the country's foremost university in the field of civil engineering. While its main campus is located on the eastern outskirts of Paris, it also hosts a major research hub here right in Nantes with 300 co-workers. And the university's Department of Environment and Geotechnics includes 30 researchers specializing in geotechnics and supported by a similar number of technical staff. This was my first message. The second, Gustave Eiffel University is actively involved in both national and international cooperation networks. It is, as far as geotechnique and offshore geotechnique is concerned, member of the French research infrastructure theorem, which brings together the country's principal test facilities for hydrodynamics and marine renewable energy. And in collaboration with the other partners of this theorem infrastructures, the university also contributes to the European project Marinergy, here in the blue square. This project aims at establishing a European research and innovation center devoted to offshore renewable energy. And within this initiative, Gustave Eiffel University is one of the main contributors in offshore geotechnics. And the third message, the university has a long-standing history in offshore geotechnical research, notably through centrifuge testing, which began in 1989. While early research was focused on oil and gas infrastructures and civil engineering works, the focus has progressively shifted towards marine renewable energies, which also will be a major topic for this conference. Let me highlight 2 emblematic examples. So in the center, you see images of the design of the unique paraseismic foundations of the Anti-Rion Bridge in Greece, based on rigid inclusions. Centrifuge tests on an embarked seismic shaking table were essential to validate the proposed innovative design. And the second example on the right here are illustrated studies of suction caissons behavior in clay seabeds carried out both through full-scale and centrifuge tests. And as Luc said to me, because I'm not an expert of the domain, this was one of the first experiments confirming that centrifuge modeling in clay soils were reliable, and this could open new research avenues. So I hope that with these few figures and examples, I have convinced you that Nantes is indeed a fitting location for hosting this conference, though many of you probably already knew it. And to conclude, I would like to express my sincere thanks to everyone involved in organizing this 5th ISFOG symposium, also the partners, which were mentioned at the start of the speech. And I'm confident that it will be a great success. I wish you all an exciting, enriching, and fruitful week here in Nantes. Thank you for your attention.